Two trucks playing follow the leader with a steel snake between them. One driver sneezes wrong and this whole operation becomes expensive confetti. £760,000 rolling down the interstate? That's heavier than my entire neighborhood. One pothole and this whole convoy becomes everyone else's problem real quick. $90 tons coming off that trailer, and they're taking their sweet time. One wrong move and that machine becomes a very expensive paperweight. £1.9 million? That's not transportation, that's continental drift with wheels. What did they even build that needs to weigh that much? $60-foot harvester header? That thing's wider than most parking lots. These guys are harvesting crops like they're mowing the entire county in one pass.
De junio del 2021.
Oh man, they really think this tiny street can handle that monster? The neighbors are not going to be happy about this noise at midnight.
Miércoles 30 de junio del 2021.
Throw the rest of that on out. The wheel and the cutter bar ought to be sitting. Oh, I know.
John Deere doing rail maintenance like it's trimming hedges. One slip and this track becomes the world's most expensive speed bump.
From both the excavator and its attachment.
Oh no, don't tell me they're going for the shoulder. That's like a minefield of sharp metal waiting to shred tires. Someone's about to learn an expensive lesson. "330 feet long, 20 days to move it, 93 miles, and 3 years just to plan the trip? My pizza delivery takes longer than this thing's average speed." Whatever they're hauling, the size of this thing breaks your brain. This isn't just moving cargo, it's humanity saying, "Watch us defy physics." Pure engineering madness wrapped in determination.
No chance of getting down this corner.
Wind turbine parts cruising through tiny Scottish roads like they own the place. These blades are bigger than most apartment buildings.